Remington Vernick Engineers is the oldest established consulting engineering firm in the Mid-Atlantic region of the United States, serving civil engineering needs for communities throughout the region. One of the largest challenges that we see in the industry is the competitiveness of the marketplace. One of those things that really helps us is the addition of color in those deliverables.
People recognize color right away. Red means stop, green means go. Well, we can translate that onto a drawing. Before HP, we did limited color because it was expensive. It was time consuming. It was a luxury. We would be using just black and white, line types, line thicknesses, a lot of labels. Bob Endy, our account rep from ARC Reprographics, he said, we have this machine, it's the Pagewide XL from HP, you gotta come out and see it. And we're just like, we have to have this thing. These things were coming off as fast as a walk-up copier would do a document.
The biggest change in the AHC market is the adaptation of color in the marketplace. People now are looking to go into more of a color world that helps them market and promote their business. We're able to have the ability to print color and black and white at the same cost, especially color line work. Architects, engineers, and construction people really adapted to that. The delivery to Remington and Vernick was very difficult. We had very limited space to get this machine down into. The hard part was getting it in.
The biggest benefit with the Pagewide XL is definitely the speed. In the past, it was like, okay, let's start a big job. It's going to take an hour. I could go get a cup of coffee, answer some emails. Now it's like that same hour job is only like 5 minutes. There'll be no miscoloring, no misbleeding. Everything will be sharp, it'll be clear.
Now with the introduction of color that is inexpensive, the image quality and speed has improved. HP is paving the way to this future. And HP Pagewide XL, it's going to change the way we do our business.